In today's video, we are going to show you how to Apple Pay someone using a debit card. Whether you're paying back a friend, splitting a dinner bill, or sending money to a family member, Apple makes the process quick and secure through the Messages app. Before you begin, make sure you have the following: an iPhone or iPad running a recent version of iOS or iPad OS, an Apple Wallet which is set up on your device, a supported debit card that has been added to Apple Wallet. If you haven't added your debit card, this is a perfect opportunity to add one. So open the Wallet app, tap the plus button, and follow the prompt to add your card. You can choose your debit or credit card that you can add to your Apple Wallet. And then launch the Messages app and open an existing conversation with the person you'd like to pay. If you don't already have a conversation, just tap the new message button and enter the recipient's phone number or Apple ID. Inside of the conversation, tap the plus button or Apple Pay option depending on your version of iOS and select Apple Cash if available. Enter the amount you'd like to send. You can also include a short note explaining what the payment is for. Before sending the payment, I want you to review the payment details. If multiple cards are available, tap the payment method and choose your preferred debit card if necessary. Double check the amount and the recipient before continuing. When everything looks correct, tap send, and once verified, Apple will securely process the payment. Okay? And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can Apple Pay someone using a debit card. For as long as your debit card is added to Apple Wallet and Apple Cash is available in your region, sending money only takes a few seconds. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.